When you're preparing for a backpacking adventure, there are 10 essentials that you absolutely must include. These are navigation tools, an illumination source, sun protection, insulation, first aid supplies, fire supplies, repair tools, nutrition, hydration, and emergency shelter. These items are non-negotiable and will help you to handle a multitude of situations and emergencies on your journey. But it's not just about what you pack, it's also about what you leave out. Non-essential items, such as camp shoes, a heavy camera, or books, can add unnecessary weight to your pack. Remember, every ounce counts when you're out on the trail. Packing your backpack is a science, and it's all about the ABCs. Accessibility, balance, and compression are key. You need to store your items based on how often you'll need them throughout the day, with immediate use items placed in easily accessible compartments. Balance is crucial to distribute weight evenly and keep the heaviest items close to your core. And don't forget about compression. You need to maximize space efficiency by compressing items and filling gaps with smaller, more malleable items. So there you have it, the art of packing a backpack for a hiking trip. It's a skill that takes time and practice to master, but once you do, it will greatly enhance your outdoor experience. So invest in quality gear, take the time to adjust your load when needed, and above all else, enjoy the journey. Because after all, that's what backpacking is all about.